Good morning, everyone. It's Rose here. I wake up early in the morning because friend is coming today. I stretch and smile. A new day full of little joys. First, I go to the kitchen to make coffee. I love the smell when I pour hot water over the fresh grounds. Aroma means that wonderful smell that makes everything feel cozy. I take my favorite mug, sit for a moment, and enjoy the first sip. Ah, perfect start. Time for a shower. After taking shower, I feel fresh and full of energy. Now off to the market for groceries. Groceries are all the food and things I need at home. I pick fresh fruits, vegetables, bread, and some milk. Everything looks colorful and nice today. While shopping, I find the perfect gift for my friend, a soft, warm pair of gloves. I choose a pretty color and wrap it with a ribbon at home later. I can't wait to see her face. I also stopped at the sweet shop. Back home, I did my homework, made noodles for my friend, and then cleaned the house a little. I dusted the shelves and used the vacuum cleaner. Vacuum is the machine that sucks up all the dust and makes everything clean. Then I add fresh flowers in a vase. Now the room feels so welcoming and magical. Ding dong! My friend arrives. We hug tightly, talk about everything, eat noodles, laugh so much, and share some snacks and tea. We saw a movie together. These simple moments with a good friend are the best kind of magic. Then I surprised her with a pair of gloves. We love Korean dramas, so we watched the episode of Crash Landing on You.
This is for you. This is looking great. Thanks. What do you think about adding some color here?
She liked it so much and instantly wore them. We draw paintings and recalled our school memories. Thank you for spending this cozy day with us. She went back home. I again went back to my room to relax because my uni is off and I am just enjoying Christmas holidays.